This video tutorial explains the focus assist function of the LS7P monitor. Tap the screen to open the menu. Tap Functions, and then tap Peaking to enable the focus assist function. There are assist type in the focus assist tab, sensitivity, color, frame, and mark parameter options to set. Click assist type, and there are 6 assist types to choose from: original, black and white, grayscale low, grayscale middle, grayscale high, and black. Click sensitivity to adjust the sensitivity. The higher the sensitivity, the clearer the focus position on the screen, and the wider the peaking distribution. Click color to change the peaking color. Click frame to adjust the area of the screen where the peaking is distributed. You can adjust the layout of the peaking by using the parameters of horizontal start, vertical start, width, and height. Click reset to restore to the original value. Click mark to cover the screen outside the peaking frame. This concludes the introduction to the LS7P monitor's focus assist function.